Real quick, how to fix your Galaxy Book Pro 3 from startling you with the sound of those fans that are so fucking loud. Ooh, I'm gonna have to go ahead and edit this. Not really. That are so loud it sounds like a jumbo jet coming through your ceiling, because it has me looking up every single time. So really, it's a 2-for-1. Not only can you fix the fans to absolute silence, but you can actually get one of those cool curved monitors as well. Now, that right there, this took less than a second, really, to do all this. And it's amazing. I mean, I've actually reconstructed the monitor. So without having to pay the premium of what other people pay for their curved monitor, look what I got. And I'll tell you what, this is what they call the 50% curve. It's about half the curve. So in all, typically just like a good right cross. That's my suggestion. You can go with a couple jabs, whatever. It's therapeutic as well, and what it generates on the two external monitors is so much nicer. This is what I suggest anybody that's having a problem with their Galaxy Book 3 Pro fans, just go ahead and give it a pop. Look at it. Listen. Hear anything? The sound of silence. Thank you, Samson.